Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson. Welcome to Brainboosterinstitute. In this lesson, we are going to learn shortcut technique to add any numbers using Vedic Math Techniques. It's a wonderful and beautiful technique, my dear friends. So please kindly concentrate and so easy to learn also. Addition, my dear friends here. Let us see the technique one. So before explaining this technique, so please take a notebook and pen, my dear students. I'm going to ask a question, and within 5 seconds, you need to say the answer. Please be ready. Are you ready now? So please be ready with your pen and notepad. So please kindly, I'm going to display the question now. Only I will give the first 5 seconds. After the 5 seconds, so just you try whether you're able to do or not within the 5 seconds. Now let's start the question now. Can you solve this question? This question in 5 seconds now. So 299,998 plus 796,354 is how much? Within 5 seconds, the timer starts now. So 4 seconds, 3 seconds, and 2 seconds, and 1 second, and 0 seconds. Stop now. Please don't write any answer now. I think you don't cheat me. So so this is the question, my dear friends. Within 5 seconds, we need to say the answer. Within the 5 seconds. It's very simple by using this method, my students. This answer is very simple, my students. Here now, let me say the answer. Very simple. So directly I'm writing here. So 3786,352. That's it. This is your answer. So I think 5 seconds also the more than enough. You can, if you know this technique, you will be able to solve this problem within 2 seconds. I think you are excited to learn that technique. Yeah, are you excited? So please, let's see what the technique we are going to use this to add this problem. Let's see the technique one. This technique is known as ID technique, which means increase. I for increase, and I for increase, and D for decrease. So increase and decrease method. ID technique is nothing but increase and decrease here. Now let's say what the technique is going to use. We are going to use to add this or those things now. Let us solve a problem by using this method by distance, increase and decrease method. For example, I'm taking a number here. So 29 plus 30, 37. First, let us go to smaller to the bigger one. Okay. So 29 plus 37. So, my dear friends, here, first we need to see that which one of these numbers are closer to the easiest number. What are the easier number here? Probably we take multiples of 10 as easier numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50, and 60, so on, 100 and 1000, like this. These are all called easier numbers. So, first of all, we need to identify of these two numbers which one of very closer to the easier number, very closer. For example, this 29, the closest easier number is 30. And 37, it is closest to 40. But comparison of the difference here, 29 is very close to 30. So I am selecting the easier number as 30. I'm not selecting as the 40. Why? Because it is by comparison of 29, 37 is not closer to the 40. So I'm taking 30. And just to take the difference of 30 and 29, 30 and 29, that is 1. Means by adding plus 1 to the 29, we get here 30. So here I'm adding plus 1. And however, we are adding with the same number, we need to subtract minus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1. We are increasing and we are decreasing. That's called increase and decrease method. So 29 plus 1 is equal to 30, and 37 minus 1 is equal to 36. Now that is equal to 66. That's a very simple. So first the step one I repeat again. So first one we need to identify which one of the very closer to its easier number. So first easier number, and the second thing is the difference of easier number should be taken here. The closer number, and we need to subtract the closer number from easier number, and so with the same number we need to subtract other. So then we get the 30 plus 36 and 66. And what the secret behind this here? So 29 plus 37, okay, as these are two-digit number, can be added easily. But the thing is, it takes some time. Whenever there are easier number, for example, 30 plus 40, we can say easier 70 without using pen wave. But whenever we ask a 56 plus 98, we can't say. So in this case, we are going to use increase and decrease method. This method can be applicable for all the number of digits. Any number of digits can be taken. We can find it here. It's very simple. Okay. Let's take one more example. You will get the more clarification. Now, one more problem I am taking. 98 plus 37. 98 plus 37, the step one, first of all, we need to identify which one of these is closer to its easier number. So easily we can find out the 98 is very closer to 100 because only that's only two digits are different here. So 100 and 98, what is the distance of 98 from 100? It's only plus 2. So here, however, we are adding plus 2 here, we need to subtract minus 2. That's it. Now 98 plus 2 is equal to 100 and 37 minus 2 is equal to 35. Now 100 plus 35 is equal to 135. Very simple questions. You get my point? So, however, for example, 98 plus 37, if I ask you, then you may take more than 5 seconds. You will add like this. But no need of adding, just find out the which one is the easier number and write the difference. And if it is plus 2, then we need to minus 2. If it is minus 2, we need to plus 2 here. Okay. So then we can add easily 100 plus 35 is equal to 135. That's. Let's take one more example now. 103 plus 74. So the easier number is 100 to the 103. Easily we can find out here. But the difference is here, here we need to minus 3. To make it as easier number, we need to subtract. So as we are doing here subtracting, we need to add plus 3 to it. Now what do you get by distance? 103 minus 3 is equal to 100. And 74 plus 3 is equal to 77. That would be 177. We can check here. It's very simple. Okay. Next question. Next question. Let's see. Now I increase the four-digit number. 1999 plus 786 here. So easily, I think you can guess the answer now. So the easier number is 2000 to the 999. So the difference is plus 1. Here we need to do minus 1. Now by adding, we get here 2000 and the plus 785. Then the answer would be 2785. That's it. It's very simple. And the next question. Now our question is, here I could able to solve only just 1 or 2 seconds now. Now you will be able to solve this question with the same technique, increase and decrease method. So how can you solve this? Very simple, my dear friends. So we can understand by seeing these two numbers, we can identify that this number would be the closer to its easier number. What is its easier number? 3000000. This is easier number, isn't it? Now, what is the difference? Easily you can find it is plus 2. So, however, we are adding plus 2, we need to subtract minus 2 here. So, by adding plus 2, we get here easier number that we selected. And the plus, by subtracting 2 from the entire number, then we get here 786,352. Now, I add this, my distance here. So, don't confuse here. So, directly we can write as the 3786,352. So, this would be the answer. So I hope you like this technique. This is called ID techniques, a wonderful technique. So that's all for this lesson. Next, let's meet in the next lesson. That is subtraction. Please do. So in this lesson, I'm going to teach about the subtraction trick. So it's a universal fastest subtraction trick, my dear teachers. So please kindly watch the video completely. So you are going to get a beautiful technique today now. So in Vedic Maths Technique 2, which is called as a Nikilam Navatas Charmam Dastaha. Here, Nikilam Navatas Charmam Dastaha. It's a second Vedic Maths technique that which I covered in the first video. So second video, sorry. So let's see What is Navatas? Nikilam Navatas Charamam Dastaha. I'm going to explain very clearly now. So please see this. Nikilam means all from. What is mean by Nikilam? All from. Navatah means 9. And Charamam. Charamam means last from. Dastaha means nothing but 10. So what is this technique, my dear teachers and students? All from 9 and last from 10. So this is English meaning of this Sanskrit word. Now let's see what is the technique. Actually, now let's see now. All from last from 10. So let us see one example now. So let's go with a small problem, small. Okay, later we can increase our standard of the problem. First, I'm taking 100 minus 42. So my dear teachers and students, the first most important thing I need to explain to you, the first most important, this technique is only applicable of subtraction, subtracting any number from 10, 100 and 1,000 and 10,000, so on. Like this means powers of 10. Do you get my point? This method is only applicable for 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, so on. So whenever, if you want to subtract any number from these, any of this number, so you need to use this Nikilam Navatas Charamam Dastaha. What is the main purpose of this technique here? So in general, subtraction compulsory we will take carry forward, isn't it? Carry forward. We will take carry forward, which not required in Nikilam Navatas Charamam Dastaha. So by using this technique, so this can be avoided by taking carry forward here. Let's see, my dear teachers, without pen and without notebook, we are going to solve this problem now. Now let's see. So first, I'm writing, my dear teachers. So only the thing is just write first of all 42. To get concept, first please practice with pen and paper, and later definitely I'm giving assurance to you. So you don't use any pen and paper here. First, I have given the given number which is to be subtracted from 100. So 42. Very simple. Just now, let us go through with the meaning of Nikilam Navatas Charamam Dastaha. What is Nikilam Navatas Charamam Dastaha? All from 9, last from 10. Last from 10. It's a very simple technique. So the technique, the complete technique, the included in the name of this technique only. All from 9, last from 10. So the last number, which is the unit digit number, we consider the last number. So the unit digit number should be subtracted from which is at last, and rest of all the digits you need to subtract from 9. That's it. It's a very simple. If there are many digits also, you can subtract. For example, if there are 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digits, 7 digit, 8 digit number also, you can do this. But the thing is, this condition to be applied here. Please kindly note this point here. Now, please subtract, my difference. 10 minus 2 is 8, and 9 minus 4 is 5. That's it. So this technique we are going to use for subtraction, the subtraction of any number from 10, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. You can do this here. That's a very simple one. So very simple. Once again, I repeat this technique, my dear teachers. So unit digit should be subtracted from 10, and rest of all the digits should be subtracted from 9. That's it. So as we have done, 10 minus 2 is 8 and 9 minus 4 is 5. It's a very simple 58 we got here. Now let's see the next problem. 1,000 minus 712. So once again, I repeat this technique, my dear teachers. First of all, I'm writing it 712. So let us use this technique to Nikilam Navatas Charamam Dastaha. Means all from 9, last from 10. So last from 10. So the unit digit should be subtracted from 10, and rest of all the digits should subtract from 9. That's it. 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 7 is 2. That's just 288 is your final answer. Get my point? And let's see the next problem now. So 1 lakh from 34,567. See here, I am increasing number of digits here. Whatever the number of digits can be taken, but the first number should be like this here. And see, my dear teachers, as per our technique, all from 9, last from 10. So let us subtract last digit from 10 and rest of all digit from 9 here. So very simple. See. 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 3 is 6. That's it. This is your final answer. You can check it over that. And the next question. Wow, wonderful. See here, this kind of the question you will get compulsory. So my teacher, see, this kind of the problem is a very important problem. Is so which leads confusion. So please see here, and directly you can write 9, my dear teachers here. So the thing is, here it is 8-digit number. Only the count the how many digits are there. There are 7 zeros after the 1 year. So just write here 6 zeros here. 6 zeros. Why? Because so as there are 7 zeros here, we need to write the 6 zeros here. Why? Because by subtracting 9 from this here, we get here 7-digit number. So that, my dear teacher, so we need to put here 6 zeros here, and then we can apply the our technique here. What is our technique? Nikilam navatas charmam dastaha. So last from 10 and all the numbers from 9. That's it. So what do you get, my dear teachers? 10 minus 9 is 1, and 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. That's it. It's a very simple. So this is a very beautiful technique. I think got excited here. The next question, see, oh, wonderful. It's a very big problem now. Very big problem. See you. 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. So here. Now see here, my teachers. So it's a very simple. So let us use your last from 10 and all numbers from 9. That's it. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. That's it. This is the final answer, my teachers. So very simple now. I hope you understood here. So let's next. So that's it for the lesson. Let's go to the next lesson. Trick to learn 12 to 19 tables. Now let's see. So how can these 12 to 19 tables can memorize without using pen and paper? Without using pen and paper. Then these 12 to 19 tables now. Let's do the first problem, my friends here. The first problem is 12 into 7. So we need to multiply 12 with 7. Means 12 sevens up. Means we are learning 12 table trick now. Now what do you do, children? See. And one more thing, children, there won't be the separate techniques for 12 table, 13 table, 14 table, 15 table, 16 table, 18, 19. So please, I don't encourage this all kinds of technique, my friends. So here from 12 to 19, entire all the tables, same trick will be applicable. Please kindly note this point here. So what is the tricks here? Let's see. It's a beautiful trick, my friends here. Please kindly listen carefully and don't miss each and every step in the video. Okay. Now, so what do you need to do, my friends here? The bottom number is 7 and top number is 12. So what do we need to do, my students and friends and teachers? The step 1, the entire bottom number. Please kindly note this point, entire bottom number. So as we have here 1-digit number, we have to take 1-digit number. If there is 2-digit number, 2-digit number to be taken. Please kindly note this point here. So entire bottom number to be multiplied with the units digit of top number. So entire bottom number we need to multiply with the unit digit of top number. Then what do you get, my dear friends? 7 is the bottom number entire and unit digit is 2. That we get here 7 2s of 14. And these 4, please write in the result place here. Which 4? In the 14, the unit digit, please write here. And the step 2, almost we have completed this step, my dear friends here. So in the result place, we have taken only unit digit that we have written the result place. Then what is the rest of the digit? That is 1. That is 1. The rest of the digit, please add with the bottom number. So the rest of the digit is 1 and the bottom number is 7. Now by adding 1 and 7, we get here 8. That's it. This 8, please write beside the 4. That's it. So 84 is your answer. Within the 2 steps, we are able to complete 12 sevens up. That's it. So this is a beautiful technique, my friends. No need of butifying, no need of memorizing all the
tables from 12 to 19 easily by using this technique. We can do like this here. Now, my dear friends, please go, if you didn't understand, please rewind this video and step by step, please go through it here. And let's go to the next problem. Then you will be able to understand very clearly. So next problem, please here. Right. 89. So 18 table. Same, the step one, entire bottom number is 9 to be multiplied with the unit digit of top number. What is the unit digit of top number? That is 8. 9, 8 is 72. So the step one result, it is 72, the unit digit to be taken and that to be written in the answer place. That is 2. And the second step, so second step, the step one result, already we have taken 2 and we have written in the answer place. So the rest of the digit to be taken, that to be added to the bottom number. What is the bottom number, my friends? 9. Now 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. This 16, please write in front of 2. That is 162 is your answer. It's very simple, my friends here. Okay. So I got you clear this. You got very clear about this technique now. Now let's go to the next problem. Little bit I increase difficulty level, my friends here. See here, 19 into 13. So my friends, I think you got the difference of the previous two problems and this problem. What is the difference you found, my friends? The difference is in the previous problem, 2-digit number we multiplied with 1-digit number, but here 2-digit number with 2-digit number. So 19 table we are learning now. So in the same process, there is no any change here. Same process to be. The first one, what is my reference? Entire bottom number. So please kindly note this point. I've been keep on saying about entire bottom number. As it is 2-digit number, I am taking 2-digit number directly into, and that to be multiplied with 9. That's 39 is 117. 39 is 117. So here also 39 is, for example, if you don't know 39 is, here you can apply this technique. Again, 9 3 is 27. 9 3 is 27. 7 we need to write, and this 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. That's it. 117. Here also you can apply. So, and the next one, this 7 to be written. Unit is always unit is to be taken, and we need to write in the answer place. And the second step, the rest of the digits to be added to the bottom number. So the rest of the digits of the step one result is 11, and to be added to bottom number, that is 13. Then we get here 24, my friends here. 24. So that 24 directly you write here. So your answer is 247. I got this point. I think did you get this point here? So please kindly rewind once again. Please see here. Okay. So the next problem, let's see, my friends here. In this lesson, I'm going to teach multiplication trick with 9. So these are the special multiplication tricks, my friends, as a level 1 program. So we are going to learn some special multiplication tricks here. So in level 2, we are going to learn some unique methods of multiplication and division, subtraction, and addition, what may be, and squares and square roots here. So let's see what is multiplication trick with 9 now. So let us take one example here. The example is 15 into 9. Step by step, very clearly, I'm going to explain, my friends here. Please kindly listen carefully and don't skip the video and don't forward the video. Okay, each and every problem is the most important here. So please kindly see here. Step 1. Add 0 to the right side of the given number. So, my dear friends, here the given number is 15, that to be multiplied with 9. Okay, so 15, just add 0. Add is 0 means just writing 0 right side of the 15. And this is step 1. And step 2, subtract the given number from the result. The result of step 1 we got the 150. And just subtract the given number from the result here. The given number is 15. I am subtracting here. 150 minus 15 is equal to 135. You can check this multiplication by using general traditional multiplication method here. For example, 15 into 9, I am taking my reference here. 9 5s are 45. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. 135. 135. Or else you can use this previous videos method also. 15 into 9 is equal to 9 5s are 45. So 4 I'm writing here on 5, and 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. So 135 would be the correct answer. So we got the same answer here. Now I hope you understand. So let's see one more example. Example 2 is the problem is 35 into 9. Step 1, add 0 to the right side of the given number. Then we get here the given number is 35 and add 0 here, 350. And step 2, then subtract given number from the result. Result of step 1 here. What is the result of step 1, my dear friends here? 350. Just subtract 300, the given number from the 350. So 350. Now take carry forward here. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. And 4 minus 3 is 1 and 3. 315 would be the answer. That's very simple. So is it correct or not? You can go and check with your general multiplication. 9 5s are 45 and 9 3s 27 plus 4 31. So we got an exact answer, that is 315 now. So I hope you understand. So please go through the step 1 and step 2. So let's see some more examples. 135 into 9. Step 1, add 0 to the right side of the given number. Now, sorry. So 1350, and next subtract the given number from the result. Very simple. 1350. We need to subtract 135 from it. By subtracting, my dear friends, here, and we get here 5, and 4 minus 3 is 1, and 3 minus 4 is 2, and 1215. Now let's see whether it is correct or not. 135 into 9. 9 5s are 45. 9 3s are 27 plus 4, 31. 9 1s are 9 plus 3, 12. So 215. We got the same answer. So what is the specialty of this multiplication? What is the special of this multiplication? See, here we are following these two steps here to multiply to get the answer 135 into 9. But did we use 9 in these two steps? Did we use multiplication process in these two steps? That is the fantastic strategy of this multiplication, my dear friends. This trick here. That's a Vedic Maths magic here. Without using multiplication and without using 9, we are getting result of multiplying any number with 9 here. That's a beautiful technique here. Okay. But then does it applicable for all the numbers? Does it applicable? This question arises to us here. Why? Because we have seen the 2-digit number and 3-digit number. Does it applicable for 5-digit number, 4-digit number, 6-digit number, 7-digit number? That is the most important thing here. Let's see, let's check whether it is applicable or not here. So let's go to the next problem. So I'm taking a 4-digit, my dear friends, here. So what is step 1 here? Directly I'm writing, my dear friends. 1445. Just add 0 right side of the number, and from this just subtract the given number. Finish. What do you get here? 10 minus 5 is 5, and 4 minus 4 is 0, and 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 1 is 3, and 1. 13,005. Whether it is correct or not, let's see now. So I'm multiplying with general method, and 9, and 9 5s are 45, 9 4 the 36 plus 4 40, and 9 4 the 36 plus 4 40, and 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. Wow, wonderful. So it is applicable for 4-digit number also. So let's see whether it is applicable for 5-digit number or not. Let us see 5-digit number, my dear friends. Oh, 6-digit number we got here. So wonderful. See, let's check for 6-digit number here. So 9,95,489. Now let's follow the stepwise. Step 1, just attach 0 on the right side of given number, the given number is 9,95,489. Then add a 0 on the right side of the given number. And from this number, just from this result, just subtract this 9,95,489. 9,95,489. Please subtract, my friends. Now 10 minus 9 is 1, and here 8 will be there as we have carried forward here. And 8 minus 8 is equal to 0, and 8 minus 4 is 4. And again, the 4 as less than 5, then take carry forward. And 14 minus 5 is 9. And here 4 will be there. Again, if we can't cancel it, again take carry forward. And 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. And again, there is 8, my dear friends. And again, take carry forward. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. And 8. Wow, wonderful, my dear friends. Here, 89,59,401 is the answer. Now, let's see whether it is correct or not with general multiplication method now. Now, let me take here. Now, 9,95,489. Just to multiply with 9. 9 nines are 81. 9 8 is 72. 72 plus 8 is equal to 80. Now 9 4 the 36 plus 8 is equal to 44. And 9 5 is 45 plus 4 is equal to 49. And 9 9 is 81 plus 4 is equal to 85. And what do you get, children? 9 9 is 81 plus 8 and is equal to 89. Wow, wonderful, children. We got the same answer. If you check it here. So this is applicable for what we can understand. This is applicable for every number, irrespective of number of digits here. It's a wonderful technique, my dear friends here, my teacher students. So I hope you understand this this technique, my dear friends here. I hope you understood. So kindly go, if you don't understand, if you didn't understand, please kindly go rewind the technique, rewind the video and watch it again. Okay, so that's all for this lesson, my dear friends. Thank you very much, and let us meet in the next lesson. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Multiplication trick with 11, my dear friends. So first, let us start with two-digit number with 11. So 12 into 11, let's see, my dear friends here. It's a very simple technique. Very simple technique, my dear friends. So first of all, please write the given number. Only within the 3-step it completes, my dear friends, when it comes to two-digit number. So let's go with the steps now. Step one, copy the unit digit number. Copy the unit digit number. So directly I'm copying the unit digit number, that is 2. And step two, it is the most important step here. Step 2, the unit digit number, please add with the 10 digit number. Now 2 plus 1 is equal to, what do you get, my dear friends? 3. So please write these 3 next to the 2. That's it. And step 3, copy the 10 series number. That's it. This is the final answer, 132. I hope you understand. So let's see one more example. 57 into 11. 57 into 11. So the step 1, copy the unit digit number. And add, next step, add 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. And please write 2 here. And this 1 will carry forward to the 5. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. That's it. 627 is the final answer here. So please take care of this carry forwarding system, my friends here. Whenever the sum is 2-digit number, you need to think over. Just stop for 1 second. That's it. So unit digit, please write here, and the 10 digits will carry forward to the next digit. That's it. Okay. You can add with here, or if there is any other number, if, for example, the continuation of the digits, this one can be carried forward to the next digit also. Some will be saved. Got it? That's it. So this is the final answer. And the next one, digits. 3-digit number. Wow, wonderful. 3-digit number. So does it applicable for 3-digit number also with same process? Now let's see. So 145 into 11. So I'm writing here 145, my dear friends, and same steps. Copy the unit digit number and add 5 plus 4, and it gets here 9. And please write 9 in the 9 next to the 5. And again 4 plus 1 and 5 and copy the 10th digit number. That's it. It's very simple. Got it? So the common steps are here: copying the unit digit number and copying the 10th digit number compulsory must and should. And to get the middle numbers, you need to add every two consecutive integers, every two consecutive numbers here to get the answer. I hope you understand here. Now let's do next problem. So write the given number, my dear friends, that is 177, and copy the unit digit and add these two. Now what do you get, my dear friends, here? 7 plus 7 is equal to 14, we get here, 14. So these four please bring here, and one will carry forward here. One will carry forward. Now what do you get, my dear friends, here? 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So this 8 should be added to the next digit. Now 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, and the next digit, please copy the 1000 digit number. So that would be the final answer, 947. Okay. If you have any doubt, please kindly rewind these steps, my dear friends. Okay. Now let's go to the next problem. So next 4-digit number, let's see now. So the 4-digit number, let's see, 1447. I'm writing here 1447. So copy the unit digit number like this, and again add these two. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11, and one will come down here. You get my point? And one will carry forward here, my friends, here. Now in the second place we have here, we have the 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, and these 5 should be added to the 4, and 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, and again these 4 should be added to the next place. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, and the next one, copy the 1000 digit number. That's it. So this is the final answer, my friends, 15,917. Next, go to the next problem. Let's try 7 digit with 11. So the same process, my friends, nothing will be changed. I'm trying to build a confidence that this can be applicable for n number of digits here. This can be applicable. You can take even 10th digit number, 11 digit number, or 20 digit number, or 100 digit number. Also same process, my friends. Nothing will be different. Let's see the let's try with 7 digit number. Okay, let's try now. Right. See, let's see this example, my friends. The given number is 11,95,673. This is the given number, my friends. Let's see. Given number I'm writing here 11,95,673. So in this, what do we need to do, children? My dear students and my dear friends, see, first copy the unit digit number. I copy this, and next add this 3 to 7. That we get here 10, and 0 please bring down, and 1 please write here. Means 1 will carry forward to the same digit here. And 7 plus 1, 8. So the 8 is placed at second place. So here is 8. So these 8 please add to the next digit. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. And please bring 4 down, and 1 will carry forward here. And 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. And this 7 should be added to the 5. Then 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So these two should be added to next to the 4, and 1 will be carried forward to the 1. Now again here, what will remain, my dear friends? It's 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So please, these 6 add with 9. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. And 5 will bring down here, and 1 will carry forward under the 9. And again here, 9 plus 1 is here 10. And these 10 to be added with the next digit. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So this unit digit please bring down, and 1 will come down to the 1. Again here 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. These 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. And copy the last digit, my friends. So this is the final answer, my friends, here. So what is the final answer, my friends? 13152403. It's a great thing here. Okay. So what a big answer we got, my friends, here. Okay. So this is the technique of 11, my friends, here. This is the technique of. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. So please kindly watch this video 1 or 2 times. At least 2 times if you watch them, and practice thoroughly. Practice thoroughly. I'm going to distribute one assignment to you also today. Okay. So please complete this assignment. Okay. And submit me. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. And let us meet in the next lesson.
My dear friends here. So the division tricks, my dear friends, as we are in the level 1 program, I'm going to teach a specific number, division tricks with a specific number here. So later in up level programs like level 2 means master and grandmaster and advanced level. So there will be unique techniques there. Division, unit technique for division, unit technique for addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Those you will learn. So, my friends here, so let's see in this lesson what I'm going to teach now. Right now, let's see what are we waiting for. Let's see what is the technique is going to involve. I'm going to teach now. So, division trick by 5. It's a wonderful technique, my dear friends here. Wonderful technique. Definitely, you are going to love this technique here. So, let's see now. What the steps are we are going to use in dividing any number with 5. Now, let's see now. So, division trick by 5. First of all, let us go with the 2-digit number. Let us see with one example, my dear friends here. Right. This is the example, my dear friends. 15. We are going to divide the 15 with 5 here. What the techniques and what the steps are going to involve to divide 15 with 5? Let us see now. So, my friends and teacher and students, please kindly observe each and every step here. You don't believe after we get the answer. After we get the result, you don't believe this. Within the 2 steps, we are going to complete this problem now. Do you believe it here? Now, let's see. The step 1, multiply the given number with the 2. What is the given number, my friends? That is 15. So these 15, please multiply with 2, my dear friends. Thus, we get here 30. I hope you understood the step 1. That's the given number, just multiply with 2 here. Next, see, almost the 50% problem is completed. And we are going to get the result in the step 2, children. Now, let's see the step 2. Divide the step 1 result by 10. Let's see, my dear friends, the step 1 result. What is the step 1 result, my dear friends? That is 30. 30, what do we have to do? We have to divide the step 1 result with 10. Let's divide with 10, my dear friends. So 30 by 10 means 30 ones, sorry, 10 ones and 10 threes. Now the answer would be 3. So the 3 is final answer, my dear friends. As you know that 15 divided by is equal to 3. 5 3 is 15. 5 times of 3 is equal to 15. We know that. So we got the 3 is each, my dear friends. Okay. So this is a very simple problem. Okay, you can say directly within second, but I have to introduce this technique with the small problem. Whenever we go with the small problem, then you will be able to understand. So at first, if I go with the largest problem, means largest number of problem, so you maybe get confused, my friends here. So that in each and every technique, if you observe them, in each and every technique, I have explained from the least problem to the largest problem. I think you might have observed, my friends here. So these are the techniques, my friends. Only within the 2 steps we could complete this problem now. Now let's see, does it applicable for 2-digit number and 3-digit number and 4-digit number and 5-digit number? Does any number of digits, does it applicable? Does it applicable, my friends here? So let's see. So please don't skip the video, my friends. So don't forward this also. Please each and every step, please kindly observe now. Now let's see what the technique will be for next problem. So let us take one more example in 2-digit, my friends here. 26 is divided by 5. 26 is divided by 5 in the step 1. See, multiply the given number with 2. The given number is 26. And into 2 is equal 26 2s are 52. That's very simple. Now the next step, you might know that. Divide the step 1 result by 10. Let us divide the step 1 result, children. The step 1 result, what we get, my friends? That is 52. So please write here, please divide by 10. So as we know, my dear friends, here 52 by 10 is nothing but here 5.2. So you can check this result by by dividing 26 with 5 in traditional method, our traditional method now. So 5.2 is an exact answer, my friends. So this is a technique, my dear friends. Let's go with other example now. 55 divided by 5. 55 divided by 5, obviously, directly we can say the 11. So let's see the technique, my dear friends. Step 1, multiply the given number with 2. So 55 into 2 is equal to 110. And step 2, divide the step 1 result by 10. So the step 1 result is 110. And please divide by 10, my dear friends, so that you get your 11. That's it. We got 11, my dear friends, here. Okay. Now let's see the next problem. Wow. So 2-digit number, my dear friends, we have seen the technique that with 5 division with division with 5 that we have seen. Now let us see that. Let us check it whether it is applicable. The same technique is applicable for 3-digit number or not. So that children, our friends, and my teachers. So let us see. Let us take one 3-digit number now. So the 3-digit number, my friends. Yeah. So the 3-digit number, that is 125. Let us divide 125 with 5. That's it. So let's display the step 1, my friends. Multiply the given number with 2. So the given number is 125 and with 2 means let us multiply with 2, my dear friends, here. So 125 twos, that is 250. We got it here. Now the step 2, divide the step 1 result by 10. That's a very simple. The step 1 result is 250. Now let us divide 250 by 10, my dear friends. So as you know that this 0 cancel, then the result will be 25. You can check with your traditional division method here. So now let's go with another example. Let's see, my dear friends, that is 4-digit number by 5. So I'm taking 4-digit number here. 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 5, my dear friends. Now the step 1, multiply the given number with 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 into 2 is equal to 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So by multiplying 1234 with 2, that we got is at 2468. Now let us take step 2, my friends. Divide the step 1 result by 10. So 2468 by 10. As we know, my dear friends, so whenever we divide a number with 10 here, we get the point, decimal point here. So before the one digit from the right side. So we get, my dear friend, the final answer is 246.8. That will be the correct answer now. Let's go with another problem. Any number of digits, number 5. My friends, we have checked that 2-digit number, 3-digit number, and 4-digit number. For these numbers, my friends, we checked it whether the division trick that we learn, whether it is applicable or not, that we have checked here. Now let us see whether it is applicable for any number of digits, means more than 4 and more than 5 and more than 6 here. Now let's see. Let us take one more example here. Wow, it's a wonderful problem, my friends. So totally 2 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 7-digit number we got here. Now let's see, my friends. Let us check whether the same method is applicable or not here. Step 1, multiply the given number with 2. So 11 and 5 and 7, 6, 8 into 2, my friends. Now that is equal to 8 16 and 2 6 12 plus 1 13. and 2 7 are 14 plus 1 15, and 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11, and 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11, and 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, and 2 1s are 2. So this is the answer we got by multiplying these given number with 2, my dear friends. That is 2311,536. Means obviously 23 lakhs and 11,536 we got here. Now the next see, my dear friends. Divide the step 1 result by 10. The step 1 result is 23 lakhs and 11,536 by 10. That we get here 23 11 500 and sorry 53.6. That's it. So this is the final answer, my friend. So my dear friends, just check it whether it is correct or not. My friends, I hope you understood this technique here. So I am going to give a problem to you. Please solve it here. So please pause this video for 5 seconds. You can do this. The next problem is for you, my dear friends. Wow, wonderful. All nines is a fancy number I'm going to give you. So 9999. So 4 plus 3, 9. Totally 7 nines divided by 5, my dear friends. This the question is for you. So please solve it here. Okay. So so simple multiply with 2 and as well as divide the step 1 result by 10. So you are going to get the answer now. So let's see, my dear friend. In this lesson, I'm going to teach a decimal number by 5. Means division. We are going to divide a decimal number with 5 here. Let's see 12.5 divided by 5. Let's see, my dear friends, here with the same steps. Whether the same method is applicable for decimal number also, let's see now. So multiply the decimal number with 5, my dear friends. Now that is the given number is 12.5 and 12.5 multiply with the 2, my dear friends, as we know that 12.5 twos are. So that would be 25. 12 and a half plus 12 and a half is equal to 25. So you can multiply 12.5 into 2 is equal to 25, my dear friends. You can check it over as by multiplying 2 is nothing but adding 12.5 twice itself. Now 5 plus 5 is equal 10, and 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, and 1 plus 1, 2. Then 25.0, nothing but 25 here. I hope you understand. Now let's go to next step. Divide the step 1 result by 10, my dear friends. Now the step 1 result is 25. Now please divide by 5. As we know, my dear friends, 25 by divided by 10 is equal to 2.5. That's it. So we got the same answer, my dear friends. So you can check these 12 point. We can divide 12.5 with 5. Definitely we'll get the same answer, 2.5 here. Now let's go with the next problem, my friends. (12.04 divided by 5). 12.04 divided by 5. Let's see how the technique is going to help us to divide these problem. Multiply with 2. Let's see. 12.04 into 2, my friends. Nothing but 2 4s are 8, and 2 0 0, and 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. So as we have the point before the 2 digits from the right side, so same point, my friends, here. As there is no decimal fraction in the 2. So in the second term, so the same point we get here, 24.08 here. So the next step are you now, my friends, divide the step 1 result by 10. So 24.08 by 10. My friends, here 24.08 by dividing with 10. So as we are dividing with 10, my friends, this point moves to left side from the right side 1 digit, as there is one zero in the denominator, so it divides here. Okay, why? Because in the actual division part, then we get after 2 point children, so that I am writing here 2.408 here. So you can check these by cancellation, my friends. I'm checking here 12.0 by 5. 5 ones, 5 twos 10, so 0.20, and 5 for the 20, so 0, and again, then 4 0 we get, my dear friends, here 5 8s are. We can check this same technique by multiplying 2.408 into 5, then we need to get the same answer here. Let's see. 5 8s are 40, my dear friends, and 5 0 0, and 0 plus 4 is 4, and 5 4s are 20, so we get here 20, and 5 2s 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So, my dear friends, here, so in the multiplication, we have the point before the 3 digits from the right side. Same here also, we need to put the point before the 3 digits from the right side, so that 12.040 is nothing but which is equal to 12.04. So I think we got the same answer, my dear friends. You got the clarified. Okay. So if you have any doubt, please kindly rewind this video, or else you can send a message in my WhatsApp number 7989 and 804600. So I'm going to clarify this doubt now. So I hope you understand here. Now that's all for this lesson. Let us meet in the next lesson. So in this lesson, I'm going to teach division tricks 2. Only in the previous lesson, we have learned the division tricks 1, that we have divided any number with 5, and decimal number we have divided with 5. So in this lesson, I'm going to teach division trick by 50. Division trick by 50. Now let's see what the technique is going on. So division trick by 50. Welcome to Vedic Maths. So first, let us let us take a 2-digit number. So let me take one example. So the example is 80 by 50. So let us divide 80 by 50. So my dear friends, here 80 by 50, 80 is not a multiple of 50, but here we can divide so that we can get some decimal fractions. But no need of worrying about decimal fractions here. I'm going to teach step-by-step process here. I'm going to display on the screen what is the step 1, what is the step 2, however you have experienced in the previous videos. The same here also. So let's go to the step 1. The step 1 is multiply with 2. Means multiply the given number with 2. What is the given number, my dear friends? That is 80. So this 80, we need to multiply with 2. Or else, instead of multiplying with 2, we can say also double the number. Double the given number. Double the given number. Given number. Or take the twice of the given number. So this all can be said anyway here. So that multiply with 2 first of all. So I am multiplying the given number with 2, my dear friends. 80 into 2 is equal to 160. We know very well. This is the step 1 result. Step 1 result is 160. Now let's go to the step 2. Divide the step 1 result by 100. It's very simple here. Divide the step 1 result by 100. What is the step 1 result, my dear friends? That is 160. That is 160. So the step 1 result I'm writing here and just divide with 100. It's a very simple, my dear friends here. So 0 0 cancel, and the 16 by 10 is equal. We can write as here 1.6 here. That's it. So it's a simple answer, my dear friends. Simple answer. So only the first one we need to take. We need to multiply the given number with 2, and as well as we need to divide with 100. That's within the 2 steps we are going to complete the division trick by 50 now. Like this, here we are getting the question. Okay, two digit number is getting possible. Okay, 2-digit number. So 80 is a multiple of 10. Okay, we are able to divide here easily. Then can be applicable for other number also, like for example 83, 84, 98, 95, like this here. Now let's take one example. Let's check one with one example here. The next example is 98 divided by 50. Let's see. Now let's go with the step 1. The step 1 is multiply with 2. So say, my dear friends, multiply the given number with 2, or double the given number with 2. So double the given number and take the twice of the number. Okay. Now I am multiplying with 2, my dear friends. 98 twos are 98 twos are 2 8 is 16, and 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1 is equal to 190. Means the answer is 196. It is the result of step 1. result of step 1. I hope you understand. Right? So now next step, what is, my friends? Divide the step 1 result by 100. So the step 1 result is 196 and divided by 100. Means nothing but, my friends, 196 by 100. So as there are two zeros in the denominator, as we are dividing with the 100, this is 196. So we get the point before the two digits from the right side. So 1.96. 1.96 would be the answer here. I hope you understand the steps here. And again, I'm going to ask you. So this is two-digit number, we are getting the possible. But what about three-digit number? Does it applicable for three-digit number and as well as four-digit number as well as five-digit number? Does it applicable for any? Is it unique technique? So let's see. So that my friends, don't skip the video and don't forward the video. So please watch each and every step very clearly now. So let's see. Three-digit number by 50. Let us take one example here. 150 divided by 50. So first of all, I think you understood, my friends and students. I will go with the easier number. Later, we increase standard the difficult level of the problem gradually. So don't worry about here. Now, the step 1, let's see, my friends. Oh, multiply with 2. So 150 into 2 is equal to, that is 300. That's a wonderful. Now, step 2. Divide the step 1 result by 100. Then what do you get, my friends, here? 300 by 100, that is equal 0, 0 cancel. The answer would be the 3. Answer would be the 3. It's a very simplest method. Okay. And I'm going to reveal the secret behind this method. Okay. At the end of this video, please kindly watch this video. Now, the next one. Let's go to the next problem. Next digits. 4-digit number by 5. So let us check whether it's applicable for 4-digit number here. So let's see, my friends. Division trick by 5. Example, 2600 divided by 50. Let's see, my friends, here. Let's go with the step 1. Multiply with the 2. Multiply the given number with 2, my dear friends. Now, 2600 into 2 is equal to 5200. It's very simple. We can easily find out this. And divide the step 1 result by 100. Very simple, my dear friends. Yeah, 50 to 100 by 100 and 00 cancel. The answer would be 52. That's it. It's very simple. Now let's go with another problem. So 5512 divided by 50. Okay. Same, my dear friends, here. Let us go with the step 1. Multiply with 2. So 5512 into 2. Let us multiply, my dear friends. 2 2s 4 and 2 1s 2 and 2 5s 10. 2 5s 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So 11,024. 11,024 is the step 1 result, my dear friends. By multiplying the given number with 2, we got it 11,024. Now, let's go with second step here. Divide the step 1 result by 100. So the step 1 result is 11,024 and divided by 100. So as I told you, my dear friends, so 11,024 is not a multiple of 100. We can't divide, but we get in decimal fractions. So that what you get, my dear friends, as there are two number of digits are 2 in the denominator. So we need to take the decimal point before the 2 digit from the right side. So my dear friends, then what do you get here? 110.24 is an exact answer whenever we divide 5512 divided by 50. I hope you understood. So each and every to go through with each and every step, definitely you are going to get the answer. Definitely. Now let's go with another problem. That's all for this lesson. Let us go to the next lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to teach a division trick by 250. Division trick by 250. Let's see. Let us see one example, my dear friends. 1000 divided by 250. It's a very simple question. Directly we can say as a 4. Why? Because 4 times of 250 is equal to 1000. But what the technique is going on means, what is Vedic Math technique to help us to multiply or divide 1000 divided by 250? As it is 1000 is the easier number, we can divide the 1000 with 250. For example, if it is not non-easier number, for example, it is not non-easier number, then how can we multiply? So this technique will help us to divide any number with 250. Now let's see what is the technique will be involved here. Let's see now. Step one, multiply with 4. Wonderful. So my friends, multiply the given number with 4. It's very simple. So 1000 into 4 is nothing but 4000. That's it. And step 2, divide the step 1 result by 1000. So very simple. And 4000 by 1000 is equal 000 cancel, the answer will be 4. I've got same answer, my friends. Okay. So for step 1, first of all, the given number should be multiplied with 4. And the step 2, divide the step 1 result by 1000. It's a very simple. I think our point here. Now let's see, my friends, the next, let's go with the next problem. 1200 is divided by 250. Now let's go with the step 1. Multiply with the 4. So 1200 into 4 is equal 12 4s are 48. So 00. And step 2, divide the step 1 result by 1000. Divide the step 1 result by 1000. So 4800 by 1000. So my friends, here 4800 is not a multiple of 1000. It doesn't go directly. So that here I'm dividing 2 zeros, here 2 zeros, and 48 by 10 is remain. As 48 is not a multiple of 10, we get the result in the decimal fractions. So as there is a 1 0 in the denominator, we need to take the point 1 digit before the 1 digit from right side. So what do you get, my students? 4.8 would be the final answer. It's a very simple CA. 1200 is divided by 250. And next, let us see what is the secret behind it here. What is the secret behind it here? As we are dividing any number with 50, for example, step 1 we have done. Step 1, we multiplied the given number with 4. And step 2, we divided the step 1 result with 1000. What is the technique behind it, my students here? For example, so as you know that, my students, the division is nothing but multiplying with its multiplicative reciprocal, means multiplicative inverse. I think got one. For example, I am multiplying the number A is I'm dividing number A with 250. So can I write this 250 as 1000 by 4? So 1000 by 4, isn't it? So as I told you, division is nothing but multiplying with its reciprocal. So I am multiplying with its reciprocal. So 4 by 1000. So here, what did you get here? This number is first multiplied with 4. What is step 1 as us? And divided with 1000. The other is step 2. You get my point? Okay. 250 is nothing but 250 is able to write as 1000 by 4. Because which is easier number, 1000. So 1000 by 4 can be written here. And also, so division is nothing but division of a number with another number is nothing but multiplying the number with the reciprocal of another number. So I'm taking the reciprocal of 1000 by 4, that is 4 by 1000. So that what we can understand, my students and friends, the number is multiplied with 4, that seems first step, and later we divide with 1000, that seems step 2. Got it? This is the secret behind it here. So that's all for this lesson. Let us go to the next lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to teach butterfly method. It's a wonderful method, my dear friends and students. So by using this method, we are going to find sum and difference of fractions. I think you got it here. So how can we find sum and difference of fractions by using butterfly method? So let us see in this lesson now. So let us see by taking one example here. This is one example. 3 by 2 plus 4 by 7. How can we add these two fractions by using this butterfly method here? It's a very simple method and also very attractable method, my friends here. Now let us see what the method is. Yeah, see here, step by step, I am going to teach you. So please kindly listen carefully. I think you might have been listening or practicing or solving the problems cross multiplication. I think you might have got here. So here also, my friends, here we are going to do cross multiplication. Means these two should be multiplied, and as well as these two should be multiplied here. You get my point? So this is step one and this is step two. So in step one, let us multiply, my friends, here. 3 sevens are, we get here 21. And again 2 fours are 8, we get here. And next step, the third step, we need to multiply these two. Means two denominators to be multiplied. So 2 sevens, 14. Now we have completed three steps, my friends here. The step one, we multiplied this one, 3 7 the 21 we wrote here. And step two, 2 4s are 8. And step three, both the denominators we multiplied 14. And step four, very simple, my friends here, 21 plus 8. As there is a plus here, just 21 plus 8, just add them. Then what do you get, my friends? It is 29, and by 14 as it is you can write. So this is the final answer. That's it. Means without using traditional method, whatever we have been learning from 5th grade, means in the 5th grade, actually we need to take the LCM of the denominators, and later there will be some steps of simplification, but no need of it, any simplification. Any kind of the fractions can be taken, and it's a unique method to add and subtract the fractions here. It's a wonderful method, my dear friends here. And you can ask me why it is called as butterfly method. So to attract the students and to attract our teaching way, just see here, if you see this shape here, whatever we drawn here, you see the shape. So it look like a butterfly method. So here we can see a butterfly here. If you draw like this, so it look like butterfly. That's it. Do you get my point? So that I am calling it as a butterfly method here. I hope you understood this step here. I think okay. So to make to make you better understand. So let us take one more example in this butterfly method now. Now one more example, my dear friends. 7 by 8 plus 9 by 4. Very simple. The step one, let us multiply these two, and 7 4s 28. I'm writing. And the next, let us multiply these two, cross multiplication, my friends, don't forget here. And 8 9 72. The step two we have completed. And step three, we need to multiply these two. 8 4s are 32. In step three, my dear friends, just add these two. 28 plus 72, it is 100, and by 32. So this can be the final answer, my dear friends here. So you can draw like this to look like butterfly. Okay. So this can be the final answer. Are there any cancellation? You can cancel this here. For example, I'm canceling, my dear friends here. 250s, 100, and 216s, 32, and 225s, and 2 8s. So the final answer is 25 by 8. This is the final answer, my dear friends here. You can check by using our traditional method. You can take the LCM and you can do it here. Okay. Now let us see one more example. Let us see this example, my dear friends here. So this is the mixed fraction. Don't be afraid about the mixed fraction here. So very simple. So let us convert into improper fractions here. Then what do you get, my dear friends here? 3 1s are 3, and 3 plus 7 is 10 by 3, and plus, and 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 9 is equal to 44 by 7. Now Let us continue with our butterfly method. Let's see. Now let us multiply these two, my dear friends. Now 10, 7, the 70 I'm writing here. And let us multiply these two, my dear friends. 44 3s are 3 4s are 12 and 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. So 132. And the next third step, let us multiply these two. We get here 21. Now the final answer 70 plus 132 is 202 by 21 as it is on writing. Is there any confusion? I think there is no confusion, my friends here. It's a wonderful method. Okay. It's easy to understand and also very faster method to add any type of the fractions here. I hope you got it here. Okay. Now let us take one more example, my friends here, to make you better understand. So let's see, 71 by 8 plus 5 by 7. Now let us go with our butterfly method, my dear friends. So cross multiplication, 71 into 7. 7, 7, 7, 1 the 7, 7, 7 the 49, and 8, 5 is the 40 by multiplying this here. Okay. And let us third step, 8, 7 the 56 here. So I'm writing it now. That is equal now 497 plus 40. Please add, my dear friends. 497 plus 40 is equal 7 and 13 and 5. So 537 by 56. This is the final answer. So within the 4 steps, we can complete this problem, my dear friends here. So only by using this method, no need of taking LCM here. Directly we can multiply this here. I hope you understand. If there is any cancellation in the final result, we can cancel. Nothing to worry. Okay. Now, that's all for the lesson, my dear friends. Thanks for watching this lesson.